What's up, everybody? Today we're here messing around in a cow pond trying to catch some fish. So make sure to go like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so here we got some bait. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Got some bait in this bucket. Ain't nothing special, but it's some bait that we can use. I'll clean this off real quick. Yeah, some bait that we can use. So I'm tying me on a cork and a hook and a weight, and then I'm gonna see if I can catch some bluegill and some bass. So I'm fishing with these Eagle Claw Laser Sharp Wide Gap Gusano Laser Sharp by Eagle Claw. I'm here to hook them minnows over there in that bucket. How tiny it is, probably can't even see it. Let me get the net. This thing's too fast for me. All right. Let me get this one right. One. This one right here. Anyway, this hook. If I can get a hold of it. Look at him through the lip. He's gonna cast her out. And wait. Got him. Hello, brim. Ain't nothing special.
Oh, okay. What is another one? Going down this one.
Got that one.
Yeah, I hit subscribe while I do when I was watching it first.
Hey, oh, he gone. I'm trying to show y'all. Fly right out my hands. But there's another one in the bag. Oh, that's a big one.
That's a nice one. That's a good one.
Ow. Spine me.
90 minutes.
He ain't bad of a bluegill. He's a pretty one. Bye. Let me go. Where you at? Where you at? You left me? Yeah, he go. Oh, no, he's not. He right there. Mm.
Videotape while you're riding down the road, you know? Look at that big monster. That's a big
Man, I saw that one coming. I saw him eat it.
The dog pond like that thing right here?
Mm-hmm. Quit flopping. Now I got him.
Oh, the other pond looks like this one?
It's way bigger.
Way bigger.
He gone. Hey, my net, baby.
Where's that, bro?
It's in the back. Hurry. Throw it. And I don't care about that. Where'd it go? Oh, baby snapping turtle.
What you got?
Little baby snapping turtle.
Get him out and see what you got. Come over here and get him in the light. You hit it?
Something hit it.
It ain't trying to fall off, is it?
Got him.
Got him. Nice one, too. That's a nice one. Let him work it. Oh, that's a real nice one. He's running, too. Yes, sir. Look at that. Put him on the bank.
Come here. Got him.
That was a nice one.
That's a good one.
Yeah, that way to go in there and get him. That's a really old pond.
Look at there.
Oh, cow pond.
Oh, a plastic worm.
And what'd you catch him with?
Little watermelon red Senko.
Watermelon red Senko. Alright. That's 3 today, ain't it?
Yeah, that's the third one of the day.
In 10 minutes.
10, 15 minutes. Woo. It's a good one right there. Alright, let's let him go. Woo. I'm a fish catcher. He gonna bite it right here. He gonna bite it. He gonna get it. I'm gonna let him eat it.
Well, throw it out there and bring it like you did a while ago. See something else. There you go. You got his,
He's tiny.
I got a little bass.
He's a little one.
A tiny bass.
He got it though.
Like the basses will be biting today.
Mm-hmm. Woo. He came right off the hook.
Get over yonder and throw it. Get around that edge over yonder.
Oh, baby bass.
Yeah, there you go. Keep feeding it. Go with it.
He ain't bad. He ain't quite bad of a bass right there.
Give him time to grow.
I'm gonna let him grow.
Got him. Got him.
Oh,
Oh, he's a good one.
he's up and good. Oh, yeah. Get him, boy. Fight him.
Oh, he spit it.
Got off.
Dang,
Fight.
that was a good one.
Yeah, he was pulling now. Oh, yeah. He's coming on out.
What you got?
Bass.
Oh, yeah. I see him from here. Oh, yeah.
Come here, baby. Come here. Come here.
Right there.
Come here. Good job.
Just get him up. Papa, get the net.
God.
Got him?
Yeah, I got him. That's a 6.
Oh,
That's a 6. It's not a 7 right there.
that was nice.
Look at that one.
That's a good one right there.
Yeah. They liking them worms.
He don't have an eye.
He missing an eye.
Dog.
Come get up here in the sun.
They like this watermelon red. Mm. That's a
Look at
good
that nice fish
right
there.
here.
Look at that. All right, he's got an eye missing.
I miss it right there.
Flip around to the good side.
Yeah, throw her off on the good side.
That's a nice bass.
That's a good bass right there.
All right.
Alrighty.
Let's get him back in the water so he
Let's
can keep
let him get
growing.
bigger.
Keep going. Catch him next time.
Let this boy get bigger.
Stay out there, man.
We know that's that one-eyed bass.
Tommy said the bass out here.
Get him good and going.
That's probably what's eating all the big bluegills.
There he goes. He's in that grass.
Yeah, he in that grass now.
All right.
Yeah, we having to call it quits because this weather. Just make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep on reeling and get hooked up.